Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So the Lenovo Legion Y90 appears to be an interesting gaming phone. It has a beefier cooling system, dual storage system for an apparent increased storage performance, faster CPU and a fascinating design. Well, we will get to all of that, but before we begin, let me tell you the launch date. It's set for 28th of Feb, so it's pretty close. With that out of the way, let's get to its interesting aspect. The industry's first RAID 0 configuration on a phone. The Legion Y90 is set to arrive with solid-state drive and UFS 3.1 storage working in a RAID 0 config. Now on the surface, this might seem cool and fast. In reality, you will see no change in performance while gaming. However, you will see better loading time. In this case, Lenovo says a 50% gain. The concept behind RAID 0 is that the data is essentially split in half, so half the data is on one drive while the other half is on the second drive, essentially offering very fast write times because the data is split and written to both disks in parallel. In simple words, the data is split and written on both the drives simultaneously, increasing the write speed. But the biggest disadvantage of RAID 0 is that if a single drive fails, you will effectively lose all of the data. I won't go deep into what is RAID and all, but RAID 0 should not even be called RAID because it's not fault tolerant. Nevertheless, we think this is a gimmick and nothing much, so don't make your buying decisions solely based on this factor. The major improvement you will see is in the cooling. You already know how hot the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip gets, and to mitigate that, Lenovo went all out. It uses a 12-layer heat dissipation material stack, a 3520 square mm liquid-cooled VC-soaked plate, a dual-fan active cooling system, and 32 PC-level cooling fins, whatever they mean by that. As for display, the Legion Y90 is expected to get a massive 6.92-inch E4 AMOLED of 144Hz refresh rate and up to 720Hz touch sampling rate, a perfect display for gaming. What else does a gamer need? Well, a massive storage. The device will be equipped with 640 gigs of storage space shared between UFS 3.1 and SSD of 512 plus 128 gigs. It will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and 18 gigs of LPDDR5 memory plus 4 gigs of virtual memory. Camera-wise, we can expect a 44 megapixel selfie, 64 megapixel main and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide. The battery could be a 5500 or 5600 mAh cell that supports 68 watt fast charging. It will also get Dolby Atmos, 2x2 shoulder buttons and is equipped with a ZUI 13 system. So that is all we know for now. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and as always, catch you in the next one.